All right, guys. So congratulations to me. Congratulations to me. Make una comment congratulations for comment section. The reason why I say make una comment congratulations be say get one update where I been dey use. I don't call it my small thing. And today I want come make we talk about I go still share my experience about that particular update. I mean, no need to prolong them. Then they call the update Hifami. So I don't dey use Hifami for some time now. And today I want come make we talk about Hifami. Yes. We go talk about Hifami because I don't call it my small thing recently, and the small thing I call it makes sense. So you understand. Some people don't they complain say Solomon, see what we they go through here for Hifami. So today I want come make we talk about that. Make we see if they hope they still make sense. I be no really make sense like that. So go talk about what be Hifami. Go talk about their pros and cons. Where I go share my opinion, my recent opinion. Then I go give out my ratings, my recent ratings. Now if it is me for the first time, my name is Solomon. I talk about update for this channel. If you want the call update for my side, make sure you like the video, share the video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel so that anytime I drop new updates, they're going to notify you, and now you go be the first person to come check them out. Okay, thank you very much. Now make you know say this one will be tutorial, but this one a review I come to come drop for all of you now where they vex say I know they do step-by-step tutorial for this channel. Make una relax. So because if I do step-by-step tutorial, YouTube can't come on my video. Now still una go talk say Solomon, you don't tell I don't see your video for YouTube. What's up? So make una relax. If you want to see my tutorial, go my seeding account. For my seeding account, I get 3 sections. The first section are clips. The second section are videos where they post the start videos there. The third section are bundle where they post my special tutorial. So make you go over there, choose anyone, and make you check my tutorials for my seeding account. Another thing to this one, no be financial advice. Me and no be financial advisor. Now wetin I dey use now I to come talk about. So make we see as Hifami dey. So first question, wetin be Hifami? Hifami now up the way come I come talk say if you dey use their platform like normal social media, like if you dey chat with people, if you dey play their in-app games, then get in-app games, then get in-app activities where if you dey chat with people, if you create rooms, chat with other people in every part of the world, just to enjoy yourself, make una dey entertain on yourself like that. Now wetin we Hifami talk be that, but then get different features. They get some of their game features, some kind features. Then get the affiliate program feature. We be say if you invite person, make it they collect for the platform. Then get plenty features for Hifami platform. Start to dey use Hifami I think few months ago. When I come out here, contact say, I don't start Hifami, make we say a single day. I start to dey use them few months ago. So far I've been done the collect some things from Hifami. The first stuff I collect from Hifami, I think now 50 naira where be the first stuff. I be 100 naira be the first stuff where I collect from them, and then send and put for my OP account. They call them registration bonus. So that time then thought say if you they enter Hifami, so they will give you all this kind of welcome bonus, and that welcome bonus it will be around 450, I be 500, I be something like that. So you go fit come out them. I can't come out them. For my open sharp the thing can't ginger me. I can't enter again, observe, study. I can't use as I can't use them. They can't they limit my earnings, because the more they use and they go, the more they limit my earnings. So the same I come upgrade my VIP. So I come upgrade my VIP. I pay them around 2k or 2 point something k for naira. I upgrade my VIP. As I upgrade my VIP, they can't they give me tax. I can't they do. As it can't go, they can't they reduce my tax again. They can't they reduce and so the more I can't they complete tax, the less rewards I can't they collect for this particular platform. Now so within day, so it be some of my experience. Now some of my experiences be that. So order of my experiences be say for Hifami they get different things. They get their coins, they get their points, and they get their gems and all those kind of diamonds and things like that. So each of these coins get their own value, and they get their own things within they do for this particular update. For example, go take their coins, go put for their diamond, because now only their diamond will if you come out for the update. And for you to get plenty diamond according to what that they observe, you need to invite person for this particular update if you want to collect plenty diamond. Apart from that, you need to join their groups, you need to do other things. If you don't invite person, it go stress you some more if you collect diamond from this particular update. So now what we I observe about Hifami, Nine be that. Now what be some of the pros and cons? Well, the first pro be say if you come on your small input for your naira account, the first pro be that. Now the second pro, personally, the second pro I will give them be say Hifami na one of those platforms where talks if you come out your welcome bonus. Now one of those platforms will be say if you enter the update, if you come out your welcome bonus book for your OP based on my experience. Now another pro I will give them be say they get plenty things where if you do for the update. Another pro I will give them be say if you use them like chat through, make it a chat with people. So if you use them make friends, make international friends and things like that. Now what be some of the cons where I don't see for Hifami? Number one, the more they complete the tax they go, the more they reduce the amount of earnings we they collect for each of the tax we they do. Number two be say the more they use the platform they go, or if you know upgrade VIP or something. So for example, now their withdrawal I been withdraw before, been take long. They send up of my OP, but as I no can go upgrade my VIP to like VIP 2 or VIP 3, it can they take me like 3 days for me to see my withdrawal. Because sometimes they even take me like 1 week for me to come see my withdrawal. So another thing we I not like about them be that so they stable. If they increase they go based on some things where do for the platform. Now another thing we I know to like about Hifami be say it is very very complicated to some people. I don't hear some beginners they complain say I don't understand this platform. So if you don't really understand the platform, I don't do tutorial. They might sit in account if you go check them out. But some beginners when they complain say they don't understand the platform, say they very very confused. So now one of the things I don't like about them and be that. So apart from that, I like the platform and it get some other pros and cons. So, but now some of them I don't observe. And be that now I've been coming some from this particular update. I've been gather 100,000 diamond from this update. 100,000 diamond according to them will give you over 75k for our naira. So I gather 100,000 diamond. I come on my small for like 3 days. They can send and put for my OP. I've been there very very happy. I say my account you can tell my country people say see as this platform they go. Now another thing where you need to know we say if I want to rate this platform from 1 to 10 currently now I will give them 5/10. Yes, I'll give them 5/10. Even if I don't collect something from the update, I will still give them 5/10 or 5.5/10. The reason is because it's very very complicated and no be totally free update. If you define completely free update, no be totally free. The reason why I can't add that 0.5 be say if you come out your welcome bonus as a new person for this particular update. But what do you think about Hifami? You don't use them. I've been never use them. Remember my personal ratings is 5.5/10. What you go feel rate Hifami drop and for comment section. Make you don't forget to comment where they watch this video from too for comment section my people. I go see you now for my next video and bye for now.